In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Google Cloud SDK on a Windows computer. This is an essential tool suite that provides you with the powerful command line interface, including gcloud, sutil, and bq commands, enabling seamless interaction with your Google Cloud resources. Whether you're a developer, system administrator, or just starting to explore cloud technology, having the Google Cloud SDK on your machine can help unlock new capabilities in managing and automating your projects. First things first, let's head over to the Google Cloud SDK documentation. You'll find the necessary resources and helpful guides there, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on downloading the installer directly. Navigate to the Google Cloud SDK download page, selecting the option tailored for Windows operating systems. Keep in mind, we're looking for the installer, which is conveniently packaged as an .exe file, making the installation process straightforward. Once you've downloaded the Windows installer, locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files, and run it. It's a robust yet simple program that will guide you through the entire installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts. They're designed to be intuitive. As the installer progresses, you'll have the option to install a bundled version of Python if you don't already have it on your system. This is crucial since Python is a key dependency for running the various command line tools included in the SDK. If you're uncertain about whether you need it, opting in to install Python bundled with the SDK is generally a safe choice, especially if you're setting up your environment for the first time. With the installer working its magic, once it's finished, you'll need to verify that the installation was successful and get started with some initial configuration. For this, go ahead and open up a new instance of Command Prompt or PowerShell. It's always recommended to use a new window so that any changes made during the installation are properly reflected. In your command line window, enter the command gcloud init. This command sets the stage for configuring your Google Cloud access. It initiates a guided process to connect your new SDK installation to your Google account, which is essential for managing your projects across Google's cloud services. During this process, you'll be asked to log in with your Google credentials. This is a secure operation, so make sure you're prepared with the details of the account you wish to use. Following login, you'll be prompted to select your project from a list of those associated with your account. If you don't have a project set up yet, you might want to create one beforehand. Doing so will ensure a smoother setup experience. And that's it. Your Google Cloud SDK is installed and ready to use. You now have the tools at your fingertips to interact with and manage your Google Cloud resources efficiently from the command line. Enjoy exploring all the new possibilities that come with having such a powerful toolkit installed on your local machine.